Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Thanks for stopping by. I hope you're all doing well throughout this whole pandemic that has, basically changed our entire lives. But yeah, I try to maintain some sense of normalcy, so I'm going to continue doing my videos, even if it's just me watching, because, I got to get through the day somehow. So this time we're doing my Ipsy Glambag. I actually have two of them again, but I think I've resolved it, so now I'll only get one for the month of May. So they're probably going to be very similar because I put in the same preferences. This is a monthly subscription and it is $12 a month US. So let's see what's inside both of them. Okay, so let's open up bag number one. So you can customize one item from this bag. It lets you choose one. And here is the bag for the month of April. That's pretty. So every month you get a different little makeup bag, and there's two things on the outside, so we'll start with those. So you got some face masks from Jejun Cosmetic. So this is from a Korean mask as well. So we've got two. We've got a rosemary mask, which evens out skin tones, and we've got a grapefruit mask, which is for pore tightening. So those will be good to use. I'll have a good sheet mask, right, Jay?
Everybody likes having their pores tightened.
Well, look at the cute little zipper pull on this. It's a little wooden. So let's see what we have inside. Item number one is a little makeup brush from Araceli. How would you say that, Araceli?
If you're fancy, you'd say Araceli.
Well, I am fancy.
Well, you fancy, huh?
Oh, I'm fancy, huh? So this is a Chiquita blending brush. So that's what it looks like. It's nice and soft. So that's item number two. And then item number three is from YC Collection. And what is it? It is a loose setting powder. That's nice to have. We don't get a lot of setting powders. Open it up. Sticking to me. So it's a nice little pot of light.
It's like a lot of jar and not a lot of product.
Well, they're mostly sample sizes in this bag, so that'll do your face a few times. Okay, item number four is in bubble wrap, and it is, I haven't heard of any of these brands yet. So this is from Oriza Beauty. It is a nude shimmer and contour eyeshadow. Looks like it's a little tiny mini quad. Look at how cute that is.
You should gift that.
That's a fun eyeshadow. I'm gonna give this to a little girl that I know. Probably Heather is gonna get this. And item number five is our last item, and it looks like a full size. It's from Bella Pierre Cosmetics, and it is a matte lipstick in the shade Incognito. Let's see if this one is suitable for my skin tone, Jason.
Alright.
Yeah, so that looks like it's a full-size lipstick.
It looks like it might be the same color as the other one. Is it? It's a little bit darker.
It's a little dark. He's referring to my BoxyCharm video I just did. So it's, what would you say, like an orangey brown color? Oh, it smells delicious.
I'm gonna eat this one.
Don't eat that.
Oh, it does smell really good. Wow.
Don't eat it. I need that. I'm gonna need that.
That smells really good.
Let's try this one out. It's a little light, eh? A little orangey for me.
You could still use it. You know what it smells like? Is a chocolate orange is what that smells like.
It just smells delicious. Eat it black. I
Nice.
just applied most of it off. It's It's not the most flattering color for me. I like a nice berry color or dusty rose. But it feels good on the lips.
I like the way it smells though.
It smells delicious.
Because if you kiss somebody with that, they would still have that scent, and they'd be like, they would be thinking about you afterwards because of that. It's a good little trick.
That's a good little trick.
I'll be thinking about you afterwards.
Oh my goodness. Okay, so that's nice. So that was bag number 1. We'll save picking our favorites until everything is done. So here's bag number 2, and we'll see if
you do a cut.
I will do a cut when I want to do a cut. So bag number 1 has something different on the outside. Oh, so we've got a nice luxe brush on the outside. It's got a nice ombre color, and it is a number, oh, it's hard to read, 209 large shader. I think that says it's in gold writing, so it's hard to read. It's very soft. So that's a nice brush. So we got a brush, Jason. You just stepped away. And we have the same bag again.
Oh yeah. These are fun little makeup bags, I guess.
They are. I don't know what I'm going to do with 12 of them every year.
You could gift something. I don't know. That'd be good.
Okay, so item number 2, we've got, I think, an eyeliner. It's from the brand Sugar. And it is a waterproof micro liner. Wingman waterproof eyeliner, micro liner in the shade 01 I'll Be Black. I'll be black.
But then I will go back.
Several more times. Okay, so that is the eyeliner. Oh, that is a very fine tip. That is a very fine tip. Well, if you can notice, then you know it's fine.
Yeah.
So it does draw a really fine line.
What is it that it's putting down? What does it smell like?
Nothing?
It's not like magic marker.
It doesn't. You always think it smells like magic marker. Here, you can smell that,
right.
and you can tell me what you think it smells like.
I don't smell anything.
Yeah. Because, but I'll let you smell every one of them.
What is it putting down though?
Like
just some
inky
dark,
makeup.
Yeah. Right.
So that was item number 2. Okay, item number 3 is a little box from Nomad. Toscana Cantucci is what's written on the box. It's an intense eyeshadow. I love eyeshadow, but I like it in a palette. I don't get a lot of use out of these.
You don't tend to use all the colors in a palette though, do you?
No.
Do you? Yeah, you always
just like to have them.
Just like that.
I rotate them though.
Okay.
So that is the eyeshadow. I'm not going to swatch it, but it's a nice brown, like nice neutral color. I'm going to gift that to somebody. Maybe Hannah, because I think she's getting into makeup. My niece Hannah.
That'd be fun.
Okay, next up we've got, a big pot of something. So this is Glossier Priming Moisturizer. Luxurious face cream. I love a face cream, Jason. I've never tried a Glossier product, so it's got a nice lid on it.
Don't break your fingernail.
I'm not gonna. I already broke that fingernail anyway. It smells like a face cream. Try it. It's very rich.
It looks like
feeling.
It looks really nice.
So, it smells like a face cream for sure.
I want to smell it.
Okay.
It smells fresh.
It does smell fresh.
It's nice.
So that will definitely not go to waste. I like to mix up my face creams every day, so I never know exactly which one may or may not be working. But I get so many of them, I don't want them to go bad. And then the last item is a lipstick from LCB. I don't know this brand. I don't think. And this is in the shade Fosta. F-A-U-S-T-A. And it's another brown. So this is the one we got in our first bag. And if we swatch right beside it, it's just a little deeper, but almost the same shade. CJ?
Mm-hmm.
All right, so that was our 2 bags. So next month, I hope I figured it out and we only get 1 bag. But there was no dupes.
No,
which is crazy. So I think I must have.
These are fun little bags too. Nothing.
Yeah, they're fun.
You know, gives you a little taste of each product, and I don't know. You got a fun bag with it.
Yeah.
Cool.
So we've got the 2 pamphlets, so we can see what I think it tells us the sample size.
Did you get face masks in the other one, or what are these from?
That was from the first.
No face masks in the second one?
Nope.
Oh, weird.
All right, so let's see what the full-size prices of everything is. Okay, so it looks like we got 3 full-size products and 2 deluxe samples. So the Belle Pierre Cosmetics lipstick is full-size and it's $20. The Ariza says this is full-size. It's $19.95, which seems heck of expensive. The Araceli, I think I'm saying it right, Beauty Chiquita Blending Brush is full-size at $14. And then the deluxe samples are the sheet masks. So the full-size version is 10 masks and it's $30. And then we have the YC Collection Loose Setting Powder. This is a deluxe sample and the full size is $11.99. So that was bag number 1. And bag number 2. Looks like we have 2 full-size items and 3 deluxe. So the first is, where did it go? Where did it go? I've lost it. I think. Oh, the Nomad Cosmetics eyeshadow. This is deluxe and its full-size value is $27. The Sugar Cosmetics eyeliner. This is full-size at $11.99. The Glossier Priming Moisturizer. This is the deluxe sample. The full size is $35. The Lovecraft Beauty. This is actually a deluxe sample lipstick. The full size is $22. And the Luxie brush is full size and it is $12. And I didn't get any duplicates, which is crazy. So, but yeah, I liked both bags. They had nice makeup. I was a little bummed out by the lipstick colors. I don't think they suit me well, but the brushes always come in handy, as well as the setting powder and the moisturizer and the sheet masks. So all in all, I'm very happy. And yes, so thank you everyone for watching. If you wouldn't mind liking and subscribing, you can like and subscribe here, and you can watch more videos down here. And yes, I hope you're all staying healthy and safe. Have a great day.